In the jungle on a sunny day, the animals came out to laugh and play. A monkey swung from tree to tree. Come chase me if you can catch me. An elephant splashed in a muddy pool, flapping his ears to keep so cool. He sprayed the birds who chirped and sang, while the tiger gave a mighty bang. A zebra danced with stripes so bright, while parrots squawked with all their might. The hippo yawned so big and wide, and all the little frogs jumped inside. A giraffe reached high to the tallest tree, picking sweet leaves happily, while lions roared and pandas rolled. The jungle stories were bright and bold.